Hey there, Prataroli, new bike? Great, we've already seen what not to do. Today, let's see what to do with a bike that's brand new. The first thing you should do is read the instruction manual and check the box's contents. Are the wheels there? Pedals, check. Handlebars. Bike. Frame? Looks like everything's here. Let's go. The battery. Read the battery instructions and maintenance tips. Trust me, it's important. My grandfather, who was a notary, always said that trust is good, but double checking is better. Were all the screws and bolts tightened correctly? Better check, you never know. Get the right wrench, preferably a torque wrench, not just by eye. And let's check the moving parts. Saddle, brake calipers, wheels, and handlebars. At least that way we can ride safely. Softer for rough and muddy terrain, and a bit firmer for tough ground. Can you feel it? Okay, wait, I'll cut that out.
The thick mud.
Okay, remember to check your tire pressure. This depends first of all on your weight, but also on the tire type and the terrain you'll be riding. A bit softer for rougher terrain and a bit firmer for the tougher ones. Did you see the beautiful colors in this video? It's not just Mother Nature's doing, but also these spectacular lenses that Laowa provided for us. Right now we're using a 33mm lens with a 0.95 aperture. Incredible, from the Argus series. Check the comments below for all the technical specs. Keep it protected. I mean, riding with the frame, basically, especially if it's carbon. It's good to apply protective films, mainly on the parts most exposed to impacts, rocks, or friction. Oh, by the way, put them on the chainstays too, or they'll get ruined in no time. Otherwise, we've tried many. Want to know which ones we use? Check the description below. Everything's fine. No, what did you think? Water, the bottle, and chain oil. Don't forget the chain oil. Otherwise, the drivetrain won't last very long. Do you know what sag is? The static compression of the shocks. How do you adjust it? Check the shock manufacturer's official website. You'll find the ideal charts based on your weight and the type of trail you'll be riding. If you want to know more, write shocks in the comments. Ride finished? Good, but before you go rest, remember to charge your little baby. Before heading out, take a look at the drivetrain too. Spin it freely and check if the shifting is precise across all gears. Ergonomics above all else. Remember to adjust the saddle to the right height for your body. Remember to check the brake levers. First of all, make sure there are no air bubbles in the system, then that the lever distance from the grip is correct. And finally, the right angle, so that it's aligned with the angle of your arm. Check's done, everything's good. All that's left is to go for a ride. Good. Did you like these tips? Perfect then. Subscribe to the channel, and especially down in the comments, write the word tutorial if you want to know more.